YouTube recently shared 2 updates on their website, and one of these updates will definitely impact the monetization status of many channels in the coming weeks. So in today's video, I'm going to shed more light on this second update that is very, very critical to many of us in this community. Now, if you are about to monetize your channel, or you are into AI content creating on your channel, or you do reaction content on your channel as well, you need to pay closer attention to this update. Now, I would like us to just go through the updates. The second one, which is very, very important. Now, it says here that this is for July 2025, updates to the YouTube Partner Program monetization policies. In order to monetize as part of the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube has always required creators to upload original and authentic content. On July 15, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. This update better reflects what inauthentic content looks like. So this is the new update on YouTube policy. So now, before now, or as of now, the 2 major reasons why YouTube would definitely demonetize your channel could be either you have repetitious content or repetitive content on your channel, or you have a reused content issue on your channel. These are the major 2. So reused content is like using someone else's content or taking other people's content elsewhere, or either from YouTube or elsewhere, and re-uploading it on your channel. Why the repetitious one is doing the same thing, using the same content on your channel, maybe with little or no significant changes on them. So these are the 2 major reasons why YouTube could demonetize your channel. These are the 2 major reasons. They have a whole lot more, but these are the 2 major ones that are popular. Now, with this update, it shows clearly that YouTube is introducing another kind of policy that's definitely because of how AI has changed things recently. So they are now updating their policy to catch up with how some creators are abusing their platform. Now, this inauthentic content is where this second update is finding its foot on. So now, if you do like vlogging content, or you build your channel with your personal brand, and what you do on your channel is unique. Like, for example, like on this channel, I do most of the time I do the sit down talk content. You see my face and all that. So I wouldn't be bothered about this new update, because I don't do repetitive content, because I show myself each time I'm here, and I talk I talk on different topics each time I'm on my channel. So if you do this kind of content on your channel, or you are into vlogging and other kind of content that most times you show your face on your channel, then you shouldn't be worried about this. However, we'll be waiting for YouTube to give us a clearer information information about this new update. But from this inauthentic content type that has been introduced into their policy, this suggests that, and most of us will agree with me, that when you go on YouTube and on some other social media platforms, you can see people using other people's content in the name of maybe they have added value to it. For example, let me just give you one major example. You can see someone uploading someone's short, because I can see this very often. You see someone, a creator, I won't call a creator, someone will upload another person's video and then insert their own video on top of the video without adding any value, no commentary. So if you are doing this kind of content on your channel, I think you start removing them right away, because if you already monetize on your channel, it's very certain that YouTube is coming on, against this type of content. So this kind of content suggests that your content is not authentic, it's inauthentic according to the YouTube update. So when you're using other people's content without adding value to it, so what is value? Now, adding value is something like, even if you use someone's content, someone's video, it should be a point of reference. Maybe you are talking about something and you use someone's video to maybe show an example. For example, let me say you are talking about something that happened some time ago, and for you to show it in a very detailed way, you have to get a video somewhere, maybe a video of that incident, and use it while you are explaining the incident. So in this kind of scenario, that video that you made is authentic because you added some value to the video you used. You just like, it's a point of reference. Now, but if you upload that kind of video without saying anything, no commentary, you just post, put your video over that video, just standing watching or doing something that has no value to that particular video, definitely YouTube is coming against those kind of videos. So now, if you are not yet monetized and you have this kind of videos on your channel, I think it's time for you to audit your channel and start removing them, because that could be an hindrance. Now, another thing again, and this is peculiar to those into AI content, because I was discussing with a creator that was like about 2 days ago, and this creator has the same issue, because I went through his channel. I think in my own opinion, he has nothing, there's nothing bad about this kind of content, although the channel is into AI generated content. But from everything I see, I don't think there was anything wrong. But this suggests, because after we finished this meeting, after that meeting, that's when we got this notice that there's a new update on the YouTube website. And this suggests that if you're about to apply for YouTube monetization even before this July 15th, this particular update is already in force. It's already taking effect. That is, if you are trying to apply, because this channel, this creator that I had a meeting with, after discussing a lot, he said that he has to delete some of his video and do 1 or 2 things. But when I saw his video, I saw that he was doing something like it's an AI auto-generated videos, but they are somehow similar. There's a way he did it, and it looks somehow repetitive. So I told him that he needs to work on these videos and try to remove them or maybe edit them. You get the point. And now he's going to apply for the monetization sometime in September. So if you're into AI, using AI tools is not a bad idea. And YouTube and Google in general, it's not against AI. AI created content. But what they are not happy with is when you're not adding value, or you add little or no effort in creating the videos you are uploading on your channel. And now it's just like their system, their monitoring system is now well advanced for them to come up with this new update. So that is for the AI people doing AI. So if you are into reaction, if you are doing reaction videos, there's nothing wrong with your reaction videos. You can still go ahead with it, but you need to do it with caution. So when you're using other people's video, or you're using other content, when we talk about content, it's not only about video, both video, images, and even audio. So if you're using anything that is content related, that is not yours, you need to add significant value to that content. Now, where you might probably have an issue if you are into reaction video is this: you might not have issue with inauthentic content, but you might have issue with copyright related issues. before July 15th, if you're about to apply for monetization, if you're into AI content creation, and if you do reaction videos, you need to pay a whole lot attention into the kind of content you're making. This is the right time for you to audit your channel. If you know you have some videos from elsewhere that you didn't add much or enough value to, it's better you remove it right now. Even though if these videos have been there for years and nothing happened, it's high time you remove them, you delete them from your channel, because I think some of us are aware about a channel over 1 million plus, a video that she has uploaded many years ago. YouTube came back in 2025 to delete those videos. So even if you uploaded a video that violates their new policy, even though if you uploaded it like 5 or 10 years ago, as long as it violates their updated policy, definitely you might be penalized. So please go through your channel. If anything is not right with your channel, then start bringing them out, delete them from your channel. And just like I said earlier, if you are into sit and talk content like this, you do vlog, you do tutorials, all those, something that make your kind of content unique, you don't need to bother about this new update. I don't think you should. However, you need to prepare yourself, because sometimes you might get, your channel might get hit by a stray bullet. It is common in real life. So prepare yourself in case if the YouTube system penalize you in error. Get prepared. Learn how to appeal some of these YouTube decisions, so that you can also stay away or still stay healthy on the system. So now, if you don't know how to appeal repetitive content, or you don't know how to prepare an appeal or appeal against YouTube decision, I have a video that I did some time ago, so you can use that as a guide to how you can appeal YouTube decision, especially when you know that you are on the right track and probably their decision was made in error. So this is all I have for the community. If you have not yet subscribed, or you are not part of this community and you want to be part of the community, just hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be notified each time I upload helpful videos like this. So let me have your thoughts. You have any other question, please drop it in the comment section. Your thought, I will appreciate it. Share it with the community in the comment section, and I'll be going live later today, so that we'll talk more about these new updates on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.